Everyone, I am Alessandro Sangiorgi, the owner of Wi-Fi WPS WPA Tester. Since a lot of users ask me how the desktop app works, then I'm here to show you how it works. Follow the instructions and everything will work smoothly. Perfect. Open your browser and go to tutorial.wpswpatester.com. You must have these requirements. Then Windows 10 version, at least the 16.29.9 version. Then you must have .NET 3.1 installed. Obviously the app, the Android app, and then a computer with at least one wireless card. In my case, a laptop. Okay, you have to download the desktop app here. Then you can extract it wherever you want. For example, I have it on my desktop folder. Perfect. Okay, now I'm sharing with you the smartphone screen. Open the WPS WPA Tester Premium app, for example. Scan, then go through the network that we want to test. For example, this one is mine. Then you must disable the Wi-Fi and then enable the hotspot. Okay? Then we must to connect to our hotspot from our desktop. Then this one is mine, OnePlus 8 Pro. Connect. We are connecting. I know the pin of this access point because it's mine. Then I'm putting it. Okay. Then open the WPS WPA Tester desktop. It's here. You have to say yes. Then press OK, and then OK. The desktop app, as you can see, is scanning network. Then it's trying the only pin that I gave to him. It's OK. We are connected. We can just scan it. OK. And we can connect our device. Great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll make other videos about WPS WPA Tester to clarify some aspect of it. Then see you in the next video. Bye.